Hi friends, is surgery the only option for tonsillitis? With this same question, a patient had come. He was an 8-year-old boy living in Canada. He was suffering from severe tonsillitis. Too much of cold, cough, throat pain, frequent fever, then too much of snoring at night time. Then due to that air obstruction, he could not sleep peacefully. He used to wake up in the middle, so he couldn't have a deep sleep. So hence, because of all these complications and too much of suffering, they had decided that surgery is the only option. In the meantime, during a vacation, they had come to India, to their hometown. At that time, there was this Corona lockdown, so they could not return back immediately. Again, this boy started to develop cold, fever, throat pain, and so on. Then their parents thought, okay, in Canada, okay, we were giving a lot of antibiotics. Why should we do the same thing in India also? Let us try Ayurvedic medicines. That is how they had actually come. Then, in just 2 weeks of Ayurvedic medications, there was very good improvement. The swelling in the face started to come down, that repeated cold, fever, throat pain all started to come down very effectively. After 3 months of treatment, the tonsil swelling also started to reduce, that snoring sound, that disturbance during sleep all started to come down. Even his parents were telling, before and all, every month, at least once or twice, he used to get this recurrent cold, fever and cough and all. But now almost since 3 months, he didn't have any cold, fever, cough and all. So they were very happy with it. Now they have returned back to Canada, and because the swelling and all has come down, they have not opted for surgery now. They have postponed it. This is the beauty of Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicines can reduce the tonsil swelling, also improve your immunity. Currently, in just US alone, per year, around 5 lakh tonsillitis operation is being done. In Europe, every year, around 4 lakh tonsillectomy operations are being done. And these have a great amount of complications in the later stage as well. That is, for people who underwent tonsillectomy in their childhood, in their later stage, they are 3 times more likely to develop a respiratory infection or allergy. This is the result of a research study done in Australia and Denmark. It's quite obvious because people think tonsillitis means it is some just unwanted growth. So first thing we need to do is cut it off and throw it away. It is not so. This tonsil gland is actually a part of our immune system. In our throat region, there are actually 4 parts of tonsils. Its main function is, that is, through the air we are inhaling and the food which we are taking, it contains a lot of bacteria, viruses and toxins. So these tonsils act as a primary gate where they first catch these kind of bacteria, viruses and toxins and destroy them. Just like for a house, how important is the security gate? Like that, for our body, these tonsils are like a security gate. So due to tonsillitis and other complications, if you are removing this tonsil gland, it's quite obvious that our immunity is likely to come down. This is where Ayurveda can help to a great extent. Ayurveda can greatly reduce the number of surgeries required for tonsillitis. At least not all, but at least in 100 people, if you are able to avoid surgeries for 75 people, for those 75 people, it is a big achievement. They are able to retain their tonsil gland, which will perform its immune function lifelong. So they have their immunity at a higher level, by which they have a better prevention against infections and allergies. Very simple home remedies are there. In the initial stages of tonsillitis, you can just take tulasi leaves, just 5 leaves, chew it and swallow it every day in the morning and evening, empty stomach. Along with that, you can also take just 1 glass of milk with half spoon of turmeric powder, quarter spoon of black pepper powder, and to this you can add palm jaggery as per your flavor requirement. These two are very simple effective remedies which will be helpful in the initial stages. Hence, if your children are suffering from tonsillitis, it will be very helpful if you take Ayurvedic medicines at the earliest, by which you can recover from tonsillitis, avoid the necessity of surgery, retain their tonsil gland, and maintain their immunity at a higher level. Thank you.